In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shadow effect to your images using GIMP, a powerful and free image editing software. Whether you're preparing a project for work, a personal photo, or creating something entirely new, adding shadows can bring a unique depth and richness to your visuals. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First things first, open GIMP on your computer. GIMP stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program, and it's a fantastic tool for anyone looking to dive into the world of graphic editing without spending a dime. Once you have it up and running, the next step is to locate the image you want to work on and open it within GIMP. This is a crucial first step because it sets the stage for everything else we'll be doing. Now, with your image open, take a look at the top menu bar and find the Filters option. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll want to hover over Light and Shadows. This option is packed with a variety of effects that can enhance and highlight different aspects of your image. For our purposes, we are going to focus on Drop Shadow, a feature that allows you to create a shadow effect that can make your objects pop. After clicking on Drop Shadow, a new dialog box will appear. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice several fields that you can adjust according to your preference. First, set both the X and Y values to 0. These settings determine the direction of your shadow relative to the object. By setting these to 0, your shadow will fall directly beneath your object, creating a subtle, more uniform look. Next, adjust the blur radius to 0. Blur radius determines how soft or sharp the edges of your shadow will appear. Starting at 0 gives you a blank slate to build upon. Moving on, change the grow radius to 2. This parameter will expand the shadow beyond the edges of your object. A grow radius of 2 is often an excellent starting point, but feel free to play around with it until it matches your vision. Now it's time to choose a color for your shadow. Click on the color swatch and a color picker will open up. Here, pick the shade that best complements your image. Once you've chosen your shadow color, set the opacity to 0.2. Opacity affects how transparent the shadow appears. 0.2 provides a subtle look that is both professional and visually appealing. Finally, tweak the blur radius to your liking. This final adjustment will soften the shadow, allowing it to blend seamlessly with the rest of your image. Play around with this setting until you achieve the perfect balance. And there you have it, you're done. You've successfully added a shadow to your image using GIMP, enhancing its depth and visual impact. Feel free to experiment with these settings to find the perfect combination for each project. Thank you for joining me, and happy editing.